researched online advertising strategies lately, or even just as a mainstream consumer, you've probably come across the phrase influencer marketing, or just influencer. Although influencer marketing might be the buzzword of the moment, what it is and how it works is a little bit more complex than it might seem at first. To explain this concept, we'll start from high-level theory and then work our way down to how small business owners can implement an effective influencer marketing campaign.
How and why influencer marketing work traces back to this graph. This isn't just any graph, it's a network where each letter represents a person. There are 3 important spots on this graph: D, F and G, and H. D is the opinion leader because they're connected to everyone in the main cluster. F and G are the pulse takers since they have the shortest path to everyone else. And finally, H is the information broker between the main cluster and the 2 outliers. All of these people are influencers for this network because they effectively transmit information.
This is important because real-life social networks mimic social media networks. You're more effectively using your resources by trying to reach influencers rather than by trying to reach every individual in a network. Sounds like something that your brand could use? Let's cover the 5 steps to a killer influencer marketing campaign. Step 1 is to choose your platform. Although one study found that most people follow influencers on Facebook or YouTube, Instagram influencers actually have the biggest reach and engagement. Whatever platform you choose, make sure that it makes sense, of course, for your business model and brand. Step 2 is to set your goals. What do you want to achieve out of your influencer marketing campaign? Wider reach, more impressions, more sales. It's important to set your goals now and then figure out how much time and resources you're willing and able to commit to your influencer marketing campaign. Step 3 is to find your influencers. Start by evaluating their niche, reach, engagement, and reputation. You want to make sure that the influencer's messaging and audience matches your own. Just be wary because reach and engagement can be bought or manipulated. Step 4 is to manage your relationship with the influencer. Just like you would any business partner, make sure that you treat them with respect, give them creative freedom, and give them timely compensation. Step 5 is to measure your results. Did you get what you wanted to out of your influencer marketing campaign? Did you get a good return on your investment and reach your goals? Use these results to inform and craft your next influencer marketing campaign. Finally, be wary of the fact that you can land in legal trouble if you don't disclose your paid partnerships with influencers. Make sure your influencers either use the hashtag ad or advertisement or verbally mention that this is a paid partnership. Influencer marketing has a lot of buzz around it, but leveraging social networks to persuade people has always been at the core of marketing. At first, influencer marketing has a bit of a learning curve and takes some guesswork and adjustment, but you'll get the hang of it in no time, and hopefully our 5 steps have given you a solid foundation to start out with. So go out there and start influencing some customers.